Meta just bought Manus for over $2 billion. If that name means nothing to you, you're not behind. You're just not paying attention to what's about to reshape the next 24 months. And what I'm about to show you should honestly change the mind of every small business owner who thinks AI is just for writing captions. Here's the real headline. This isn't another chatbot acquisition. Manus builds AI agents, and there's a massive difference. You don't babysit an agent with 27 prompts. You tell it the outcome you want, and it figures out the steps to get there. That's the paradigm shift, from answer my question to go do the thing. And Meta didn't just buy this casually. Multiple outlets are reporting this deal closed at over $2 billion. When you're spending that kind of money, you're not buying a feature, you're buying the future. Now here's what nobody's connecting. Manus has Chinese roots but moved to Singapore, and Meta explicitly said they're cutting all remaining China ownership and operations. That tells you how geopolitically sensitive and strategically critical this technology is. This isn't just about better chatbots. This is about who controls the next interface of work. Let me paint you a picture of what AI agents actually look like in practice. If you run any kind of business, pet services, salons, agencies, local services, an agent can do things like, here's my service area, pricing, and policies. Audit my website and tell me what's costing me bookings. Or turn my last 30 client questions into an FAQ page in my brand voice. Or plan next month's content calendar, pull themes from my reviews, then draft the posts. This is where we're headed. And if you're still stuck thinking AI is just for grammar checks and caption writing, you're about to get completely lapped. Here's what's really happening behind the scenes. Manus achieved $100 million in annualized revenue just 8 months after launch. They hit a $125 million revenue run rate. Microsoft was already testing their technology in Windows 11. This wasn't a speculative bet. This was Meta looking at explosive traction and saying, we need to own this now. And here's the part that should wake you up. People keep acting like the AI race is just OpenAI versus everybody else. It's not. Google is stacking products aggressively. Meta is acquiring capability and talent. Asian companies have been moving fast. This is a global land grab for who owns the next way we work. The skill gap isn't about knowing how to code anymore. It's about delegation. Prompts were kindergarten. Agents are the next grade level. And most business owners are still stuck in remedial education while the world moves to graduate school. But here's your reality check. If you don't have your foundation built, agents will be just as useless as bad prompts were. Garbage in still equals garbage out. Just because you use AI doesn't mean you're using it right. So here's what you need to do. 1, learn what agents actually are. Not because you want to be a tech nerd, but because strategic delegation is the next critical business skill. 2, stop waiting for permission to start. The companies moving now are the ones who will dominate their industries in 18 months. 3, understand this isn't just about efficiency, it's about survival. Meta just showed their hand. They're betting billions that AI agents are the future of how work gets done. The question is, are you going to adapt? Or are you going to be the business owner still manually doing tasks in 2027 that could have been automated in 2025? I'd love for you to subscribe so my digital clone can keep you ahead of these massive shifts. Don't get left behind. Let's navigate this transformation together. See you down the next rabbit hole. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI R&D labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs.